Well, obviously U of T has a great history and has a great reputation in Canada and internationally. And so, I'm really happy to be given the chance to work here. On top of that, I just really like the energy and the sort of interdisciplinary nature to research here. Started on sort of ceramics engineering and making ceramic nanocomposites. But here at U of T, my PhD was on using the interaction between organic and inorganic species to make nanocomposite and nanopore structures. And we were looking at how we could apply that to microchips and the insulating layers in microchips. I've gotten more interested in sort of biological structures and what we call bio-inspired engineering. Well, it's fun for one thing. I like this sort of creative aspect of research in engineering and material science. But I think a lot of these things are really important for addressing real-world problems like energy generation, energy storage, and particularly tissue engineering, improving the interaction between the growing cells and the material that the surface that they interact with, and also keeping surfaces free from bacteria and infection. I think is an important problem. In teaching, I guess I hope to bring some of the experiences I've had in different places I've worked, problems and approaches that are ongoing in the field of material science as a whole. In research, I guess there's certain aspects of engineering that I've been interested in and tools that I can bring to, particularly for sort of in surface patterning, soft lithography, looking at bacterial interactions with surfaces, those kinds of things I think may be useful to some other researchers here at U of T. I started out in physics in undergrad, and I liked it, but I guess I wanted something that was a bit more applied, so the applied sides of physical and chemical science. I think things get a bit more interesting when you apply scientific principles to technology and problem solving. And you can see that in a lot of people's careers. So they start out in science, and in the end they sort of do stuff that's very applied and are essentially doing engineering. And I guess that's the kind of stuff that I like.